made a video about the Sphere.finance. This is an autorebase and auto compounding protocol on the Polygon network. It's a fork from the Titano, and it's actually doing very well. So I bought in at $0.01 dollars. And now within some few days, this token has grown up to $0.0617 dollars. So that's great. You can look on the charts. It's growing very well. There's some major updates that is going to happen for this protocol. You can see now the market cap is at 143.25 million. So this project offers you 1.91 daily ROI. So if you want to make some passive income, this is a very good protocol that you can be instead of just having your funds just in the Titano. This is another project that you can look into. So major updates coming to this protocol. Let's see it. So this Sphere.finance introduces quantum liquidity as a DeFi game changer. Some updates here is that with 1,500% growth is in less than 19 days and a whopping 100 million market cap as of April 3rd. So we've seen actually the market cap so far in the Sphere.finance website. As of today, Sphere.finance has been solving problems in the DeFi space and launching new products and services at a record pace with the introduction of quantum liquidity as a service. So they use the quantum liquidity as a service. Sphere.finance is enabling projects to grow their liquidity for their tokens instead of just sitting there on decentralized exchanges. So what is quantum liquidity as a service? Sphere has an excellent write-up on quantum liquidity as a service located at their Sphere wiki that explains the concept very well. To answer that, QLaaS is, first we must take a look at what liquidity is. So there it's explain what liquidity is. So we just want to see quantum liquidity changes the game by actively farming with the liquidity in your LP. In simple terms, regular LPs let the liquidity just sit in the pool to act as an automated market maker. However, quantum liquidity will farm with the available liquidity to earn a yield through the various stable protocol. So what you already have, it will actually add it on to your deposit. So that's what actually happens in simple terms. Sphere.finance will take this yet another step further by offering quantum liquidity as a service to other projects and protocols. So it will be offering this quantum liquidity as a service to other projects. Essentially, any project that wants to harness their insane power of quantum liquidity will be able to do it through the Sphere.finance, providing a fee in exchange for the service. So it's like hosting other services into the Sphere.finance. That's what actually they want to do. Sphere.finance will be launching a decentralized exchange shortly. So they will be launching their own DEX. Remember, I made a video that Titano will actually be launching their own DEX. So Sphere.finance also want to launch their own DEX, to which projects can apply, get vetted, and then listed on to utilize the QLaaS for their own projects. One of the DeFi protocol that is going to use this one is the Parrotly Finance Inc. is one of the first only handful that has partnered up with the Sphere.finance and will be launching the token for their ecosystem. Their token is that ticker symbol not only on QuickSwap but Sphere.finance DEX. So they will be launching on the QuickSwap. This is the biggest DEX on the Polygon network so far, and they will also be launching on the Sphere.finance DEX. This is a unique situation as Parrotly is a deflationary token that reduces the native token supply over time, which when coupled with the QLaaS will grow the value of the liquidity pool for the token, compounding the deflationary aspect of the Parrotly. Parrotly Finance is currently the only deflationary token listing with the Sphere.finance. So this is the first one actually going to list with the Sphere.finance. So this Parrotly Finance Inc. is building products and services that will bridge the gaps between DeFi and centralized finance, allowing the individuals, businesses, and corporations to properly manage their crypto assets. The partnership between Parrotly Finance and their mission to connect DeFi to corporations, and with Sphere.finance becoming the next leader of DeFi, makes for an exciting step towards the future of finance. So actually, if you want to learn more on this Parrotly Finance, they have their Twitter account, parrotly.finance, and the website is parrotly.finance also. So it's a major update that this project is going to come up with their own DEX, and now they are going to host other projects into their own DEX. And the kind of system that they are using is very great, the quantum liquidity. So guys, if you are not ready in the Sphere.finance. I guess you should actually buy this token. This token is actually going to do wonders. Remember, they are the first autorebase token on the Polygon network. The Polygon network is very great, very low gas fees, and the transactions are very fast. So the Sphere.finance has been actually rewarding people passively. So if you want to make passive income, Sphere.finance a place to be. Titano and many other projects that I do talk about. So if you want to make some passive income, this is a channel to be. Just click that subscribe button, like our videos. Also, you can share to other people who may like to make passive income in cryptocurrencies. Peace, guys.